Hi, my name is Holly Simpson, and I'm a wife, a mother, a stepmother, daughter, a friend, and owner of Simpson Law Firm. And here at Simpson Law Firm, we specialize in estate planning, estate administration, and elder law. And we're here to answer a question today that we commonly get asked by our clients, and that is, what is a trust? So a trust is simply an agreement. It's an agreement between a grantor, and that's a person who sets up the trust, a trustee, and that person is in charge of managing the assets and money in the trust, and a beneficiary. So it's an agreement between these three parties. And sometimes the three parties are the same people in some instances. Like often a grantor, a person that sets up the trust, is also the trustee during their life for their own trust. So I like to think of a trust in terms of a little red wagon. So we had those red wagons that maybe we had in our childhood. And in that red wagon, which represents the trust, we can put our assets during our life. So we create the trust, we got the red wagon, we put assets in it. We can put our house in there, you can put your other property in there, you could put bank accounts, brokerage accounts, life insurance, all these kinds of assets. So they're in the trust, and during your life you own that trust, and you're just kind of pulling your red wagon along with your assets, and you can take assets into the trust, out of the trust freely. The taxes don't change generally. It's just all the same. But the big difference is upon your passing, that trust continues to live. So even though you're not living, your trust lives on. And in the eyes of the probate court, because the trust is still living, none of your assets need to be reported to the probate court. The probate court is the one that has to clear them before they get sold. So for example, if you had a house and it was not in a trust, the house, before your heirs could sell it, would probably take about 6 to 8 months here before the probate court would okay it to sell it. Versus if it was in a trust, because the red wagon's still driving along with a different trustee, because you've named someone after you're not living to continue on with that trust, that trustee can sell the house immediately after your passing if you want. This is just a little bit about trust. There's a lot more. So if you have any more questions about this, feel free to call us. We'd be happy to answer your questions. Leave a message in the chat box, and we look forward to seeing you next week.